Hello and welcome to the Lazy Stack community group. In this module, we're going to dive into how you can create your own AI products or any other type of digital product you have in mind. Plus, we'll explore strategies for marketing and monetizing your creations. In this first module, we'll also introduce you to our community. We'll discuss how you can thrive and grow within our community and take full advantage of everything we have to offer. We'll cover what Lazy Stack is and what our community is all about. Our aim is to ensure you understand the core of our community. We'll delve into SaaS platforms, creating AI apps and agents, and no-code AI solutions. You'll learn how to build these efficiently using no-code methods. Expect free courses and a vibrant, engaged community to support your learning journey. Additionally, you'll find resources and opportunities on the Lazy Marketplace, which we plan to launch soon. Remember to adhere to the group rules and guidelines. This is crucial for us. We are committed to providing you with high-quality content, a safe space for encouragement, and an environment that values listening and continuous improvement. So what's next? Well, feel free to create your first post on our group feed and talk a little bit about yourself, your goals, and your hobbies. Are you ready? See you on the next lecture.